All right, so this is number 1. All of the first section of the review is from 5.3, solving trig equations, if you need to look back at your notes. So number 1 says 2 sine of x equals root 2. So remember, when we're trying to solve trig equations, the first step is to isolate the trig expression, in this case sine of x. So to get that by itself, the first thing we'll do is divide out that coefficient of 2. What you do to one side, you do to the other. So now we've got sine of x is equal to root 2 over 2. So remember, when you're looking for x, it's the angle. You're asking yourself, where is x? It should be an angle value in degrees or radians. We're going to give all of our answers in radians, but if you like to think in degrees and then convert, that's fine. So we're asking ourselves, where is the sine value root 2 over 2? You can think back to look back on your unit circle and remember sine is y, it corresponds to y. So you're looking at your y values. Where is sine root 2 over 2? Okay, you can look here if you need to. Most of you probably, hopefully most of you know the unit circle pretty well by now, but it's at a 45-degree reference angle that sine and cosine are root 2 over 2. But then we have to think about, okay, well, where is sine positive? Because this is positive. And remember, sine is positive in quadrants 1 and 2. So it's your 45-degree reference angle in both these quadrants. So 45 degrees and 135 degrees, if you think in degrees. If you think in radians, which we want to give our answers in radians, remember 45-degree reference is a pi fourth. So that's at 1 pi fourth, and that would be at 3 pi fourths. So you have 2 solutions to that problem.